How to deposit crypto on KuCoin. If you'd like to deposit your crypto on KuCoin, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the KuCoin app and then make sure that you log into your account. So this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then what you want to do from here is, in order to basically deposit crypto, tap on the asset icon that you can find from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the assets icon from the bottom right, over here you can see the option called deposit crypto. So you can use a deposit address to quickly add funds, or you can basically deposit fiat currency to buy crypto by buying crypto. So that's just many ways to deposit it. Based on what you want, tap on the deposit crypto button that you can find there and just select the crypto that you would like to deposit over here, let's say. And once you've done that, complete the verification and go ahead, and then you will see a receiving address, and that address will be used for depositing crypto. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.